Are you a software engineer looking to enhance your skills, stay up to date with the latest trends, or explore new opportunities in the field? Look no further. In this video, we'll introduce you to ChatGPT, an AI-powered assistant designed specifically for software engineers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, ChatGPT has got you covered. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the topics we'll cover in this video. We'll discuss the best software engineering courses and certifications, provide an overview of software engineering, explore the software development life cycle, and highlight some essential tools and resources for software engineers. So, let's begin with the top software engineering courses and certifications available today. To excel in software engineering, continuous learning is key. Coursera, one of the leading online learning platforms, offers a wide range of courses and certifications that can help you sharpen your skills and gain valuable knowledge. By visiting the link in the description below, you'll find a comprehensive list of the best software engineering courses and certifications available on Coursera. These courses cover various topics such as software development, software testing, software project management, and more. When choosing a course, make sure to conduct additional research to ensure that it aligns with your personal, professional, and financial goals. Now, let's take a closer look at one specific course that comes highly recommended by learners, the Introduction to Software Engineering course offered by IBM on Coursera. This course provides a solid foundation for beginners in software engineering and covers all the major aspects of the field. Learners have praised the course for its informative lectures, hands-on activities, and the way it presents the material, too. If you're just starting out or looking to refresh your knowledge, this course is a must-enroll. You can find more details and enroll in the course by visiting the link in the description below. In addition to online courses, there are also comprehensive tutorials available to help you learn software engineering concepts.